Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, creative, amazing craft world like craft in canvas. Very beautiful and amazing collection of X-Mix ornaments craft with glitter sheets. Glitter sheets is very beautifully designed by everyone who can craft with this. These crafted an amazing collection created by crafters. So these crafting ideas is very useful and amazing for everyone who wants to craft in this season. So in this season we brings for you the amazing collection of crafty ideas, very beautiful and amazing designs. So everyone is watching, you can getting ideas from by this video and you can make amazing crafting collection. You can make X-Mix tree, you can make candle, pencil holder, ornaments, beautiful crafting ideas. Crafting benefits is more than just fun. It's a magic for your mind, it's a stress release hormone, you can imagine that. You can grow your business as well with it, make some unique and different types of article and beautiful too. So post on social media and make your own brand by crafting ideas. Obviously who is crafters watching my video, so it's gonna be very helpful for you. You can make very beautiful ornaments, very beautiful and classy collection by you can grow your business as well, you can grow your mentality as well. In this video we are showing you the amazing crafting collection. So what do you feel about that? These are useful. If you are commenting on my channel, if you are show your thoughts in below this section of comment, so we are really thankful to you and we are really, it's really my goodness. So these crafting ideas you can watch in this video. By getting ideas in this video you can craft very well, you can improve your craft. Glitter sheet is very beautifully designed, beautifully colored and bright color. You can take bright color like red, green, golden and make something unique, like you can wrap the bottle, you can make ornaments, you can make trees, very beautiful ornaments, wall hanging decoration idea, tree hanging decoration ideas. So these designs are useful or not? Fall decoration ideas, beautiful ornaments ideas. So hope you enjoying these designs and ideas. These designs are very amazing and creative for everyone. Beautiful design is here, beautiful crafting ideas is here, and make a beautiful huge collection of crafting. So I hope you wants to look more types of designs, more types of ideas. If you want to know more ideas and more tips by this, so you can comment on my comment section and we will try to upload what you want to learn. I uploaded many videos for craft, amazing creation, creativity. If you want to more, so tell me about in comment section. May your home fulfilled with happiness, love and prosperity, and I wish your home fulfilled with happiness, wealth, joy, creativity and many more what you want to have. Thank you for your amazing response, thank you for your amazing reply. We are really pleased to see that. So viewers, these designs, these creativity are very amazing. You can make bell ornaments, bell shaped wreath, bell designs tree, very beautifully colored contrast. It's more than just fun, it's a mind therapy. When you focus on something and imagination, your stress will automatically release by your hands and make something unique, make something durable and sustainable too. Make sure your product is sustainable so it would be really worked. So take a cup of cocoa and make something unique, make something very different and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas. I will definitely try to bring that amazing collection for our viewers and subscribers. I will definitely make sure that. So what do you think about that? These crafty ideas are useful or not? So these ornaments, these beautiful collection, these trees are beautiful too and sustainable too. Make your brand, make your product sustainable and beautiful too, and it gonna be rock. Upload on social media platform, make something truly amazing. So we are trying to bring that amazing collection for you. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Have a very nice and beautiful, amazing journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, prosperity, magic, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. We are ready to go. You ready to subscribe for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we are trying to give you the best and beautiful ideas and beautiful collection. Let's bring some creativity in your home, in your house, and let the magic begin. And beautiful collection are here. Thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed. We are very thankful to you who is commenting on my channel, and I really appreciate about that. I would really like to thanks to you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for giving your support. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and joy.